Hi, it's Andrew and Tamara. We're back again.
Hello.
Hope you're all doing well. And that little weak voice was Tamara.
My weak voice.
She could make an effort. Okay, so we are doing a real quick one tonight for this one. Because everybody needs just something you can do. It's fall, it's winter, and you don't need to be doing a whole lot of cooking. And this is our version of a chicken pot pie / dumplings, whatever. But what we have is every week we get a Costco chicken.
Actually, this
is Sam's chicken.
Either one.
The Sam's chicken. And then the cats love it. We love it.
Yeah.
Everybody enjoys it. So what we're going to do is we have our ingredients. We've got celery, onion, chicken chopped up, cream of chicken soup, onion powder, garlic powder, mixed herbs. We're going to add some extra, chicken bouillon, Worcester sauce. I'm English. It's got to go in there. Salt, pepper, and mixed herbs, and that's what we're going to start with.
And there's a glass of wine right there.
Well, that's going to go in there. Now, you don't necessarily have to use wine. You could use a lemon, but you need some acid in there. You could use lemon or a tablespoon of vinegar, or white vinegar, and that will act as a good substitute. But what we're going to do first is we're going to just sweat off the onions, get them all nice and glassy, and the, what's that green leafy stuff called again? Celery. And you want to have the leaves in there because that's where all the flavor is. So we're going to cook this off and then we'll show you the next step. Okay, so now the what am I talking about? Onion, and celery, we've got them just cooked down a little bit, get a little bit glassy and everything else. We're going to throw in some mixed vegetables, a cup of mixed vegetables. They say this is a real easy one. You don't even have to do the onion and celery if you don't want them. I just like to do that. You do that. Then I got garlic powder and onion powder. The reason I have them in the pestle, I buy these in bulk, and they kind of, I don't know, maybe it's this area we live in, but they kind of stick together. So I have to put them in the pestle, break them up, and that comes off. Then we have Italian herbs. As I say, this is an entire Andrew thing. I got the can of chicken soup. I can make my own, but you know what? When you can get a can for 99 cents,
oh yeah, then do it.
Why put in the work? It was on special sale because it was fat-free, but I'm putting all the fat in there anyway. I cook with the butter and everything, so I just put all the fat in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit extra just for flavor. A little bit extra bouillon.
Bouillon?
Bouillon?
Another French word.
Yeah, another French word. I'm not very good with the French words. No, well, I'm English, so what do you expect? So we're just going to mix this all together. And then to counter that French stuff, we're going to put some Worcester sauce in there.
Worcestershire.
Yeah, Worcestershire. Except the English have figured it out. You just call it Worcester sauce.
Yeah, just call it.
It's much easier.
We put that in a lot of our recipes.
Pretty much everything gets Worcester sauce.
I know, and it's wonderful.
Well, the thing is, in restaurants, they use it predominantly as well. So we've got all that going on there. And we're going to let that just cook down for like 5 minutes or so. Oh, before we let it cook down for 5 minutes,
Oh, yeah.
then you've got the chicken. Because it wouldn't be a chicken pot pie without chicken. And I've worked that out on my own.
I know.
Tamara didn't even have to tell me.
That's just amazing.
I know. One day I might be able to be independent. So we're just going to get all that going. Now, just going to let that simmer slowly there. Doesn't take more than 5 minutes. It doesn't really need to be. Yeah, more than 5 minutes. Then what I've got is, for the topping, I got a stick of butter and a cup of flour.
Want to make the dumplings?
And it's going to be like a crust. It's not a dumpling. It's going to be like a pastry-ish, dumpling-ish. Because I keep it pretty thick. It's going to have a nice color to it. And half a teaspoon of baking soda.
So it'll be kind of more like a pot pie.
Yeah, that's why I was saying it's like a pot pie. But I'm just going to put this on the top. Yeah. I don't put it all around. I don't make a big pie dish or anything like that. This is just going to go on the top. Because we want to keep it simple. This, in actual fact, you can knock this together in about 10 minutes. Now, because we're filming, it takes a lot longer. Because Andrew has to faff around and he has to have his hair just right. And he's kind of a prima donna in that way. But you're going to just mix everything in. And you want it to be kind of fine.
When does the wine go in it, or is that for you to drink?
Oh, no, I don't drink the wine. The wine's going to go in there. I forgot about the wine. Because that's Tamara's job is to wine.
Oh, yeah. Very funny.
So, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, put the wine in.
You're going to get the glass of wine in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And you can use, I don't know what I mentioned it earlier, but you can use lemon juice, you can use wine, or a teaspoon of vinegar.
Yeah, but wine, hello, is like the best.
Yeah. She says, and neither of us drink wine.
I know, neither one of us are big wine drinkers.
No.
It just tastes great in food.
It's kind of wimpy. You know, if it's not 80% proof, we're not doing it.
Yeah, we go for the straight liquor.
There you go.
Please.
As opposed to gay liquor.
What in the heck?
Okay, and then we're just going to add like a teaspoon of water into this. Mix it together. This is...
looks good.
Oh, and the butcher I use is already salted.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm not worried about adding salt to it. I just find the salted works great. So we're just going to mix all this together.
It's going to be good.
Yeah, Tamara likes this one.
Oh, it smells so good, too. Yeah.
And it's so much easier than making the regular
and it's
pot pie.
such good comfort food.
Yeah. And if Tamara comes over here, one of the best things is I don't even use a rolling pin. I'm just going to mash it round, and I'm going to use this.
No boy.
Oh, nearly a disaster.
Yeah, well, at least the wine was already in the pot.
Yep. We're just going to knead this together, and we're just going to put in this dish. And you know what? I might actually use a rolling pin after all. Usually I don't. I'm just going to work it out, knead it, put some more flour out there.
Do we have a rolling pin?
Yeah, it's this roly-pinny looking thing.
Let you know.
But we want to keep it pretty thick, about 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
And I want to keep it pretty dry as well, which is why it's falling apart.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes you just got to get brutal with it. Yeah, and that's all there is. There now.
Yeah, it looks good. Put more flour.
Yeah, I need more flour. Let me get more flour. Okay, so now this is all cooked down and we've made our dough. It's just flour and butter. As I said, salted butter. And I don't know, it's like a cross between a dumpling and a crust by the time we're finished. Now, normally what I would do with this, I put all the vegetables and everything in there, but I normally put potatoes in here as well. Little potatoes. Now, we didn't do that because we're trying to get back to our keto-friendly kind of stuff. We're trying to cut down on some of the carbs. So the carb is the crust. We put those little potatoes in here as well. It's awesome.
True.
So we're just going to pour a bunch of this in here. And whatever's left, if there is any left, well, just the right amount as usual. And I will put in the bottom the directions thingy.
Oh, in the comments, yeah.
In the comments. And I'm a little bit behind on that. Let's turn this off before I burn myself.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to, and I keep this about 1/4 of an inch, and it doesn't have to be anything fancy. We're just going to lay it up on the top. Nothing fancy, nothing good looking about it, like me.
Yep.
We're just going to, you don't have to agree, Tamara. And we're just going to do this, and then we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And at the 25-minute mark, I'm going to pull it out and put an egg wash on it.
Ooh.
And with the egg wash, I don't just use the egg yolk. It's my gruesome thingy. I use the whole egg, just put it on there, and it's going to look great.
Yeah.
Okay. So once it's ready, we'll come back, and Tamara's going to do the taste test and tell me if it's as awesome as it always is, which it will be.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll see you in a bit.
Okay. So we just pulled it out of the oven and stove or whatever, and we're going to put the egg wash, and it's, as I say, it's kind of like a crust and a dumpling all in one.
Yeah.
Because I do it pretty, you know, 1/4 inch, and then everything cooks over it. And it's just so much better than just a traditional pot pie or a traditional dumpling.
Smells so good.
So we're going to do this. We just wipe it all over, and I just tip it all on. But you can never get enough, and it's going to give a really good solid glaze. And you'd be surprised if it's just all going to just disappear and get absorbed. So we're going to put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes, well, probably 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready to eat.
Yes, I'll have to check it out.
There you go.
Now I'm going to go ahead and do the taste test, my favorite part. And it turned out really nice, if you could see it down here. And Andrew actually put some little bit of melty cheese on it because we're cheesy. We love cheese. So let me put a little bit.
Yep, I got in trouble for using that mozzarella because that's an expensive mozzarella, and I didn't realize that. So
this is still probably too hot because it's so soupy still, and I made a mess. But we're going to taste it right now anyway. I would think that once it cools off, it would thicken a little bit. So let's see how this all goes. Ooh, still too hot.
yeah, well, it's an original recipe. I've done it before. This is the first time that I put cheese on it. It's just I saw some cheese in there, and it's like, oh, maybe I should have put some cheese in the pastry.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah,
This is like really good.
In
fact, I like it better than the dumpling because it's got this nice crust on top.
Yeah, so that's what I was saying. It's like a crusty dumpling. Chicken pot pie crossed with a dumpling.
Very good. And the pot pie part, well, the dumpling chicken part is very, very good.
Yeah. And don't forget, please,
Yes, please like and subscribe. And we appreciate you watching.
We really need people to subscribe.
Yeah, because we're trying to hit a goal.
Yeah, we want to hit 1,000 by the end of the year.
Yes, that'd be great. That'd be great. This is so good. I'm going to keep eating it.
Yeah, okay. So we will see you next time.
Yes, thank you for watching.